God! Babe! Baby, why would you pour water on me like this? What have I done to you now, honey?
You don't have any right to ask me that question. Where are you coming back from by this time?
Baby.
Where are you coming back from?
Baby, don't you get it? I'm just coming back from work. Is that no reason why you should pour water on me like this?
Baby, I am tired of all this. What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? Why would you be coming back home by this time?
Baby,
knowing fully well that you have a husband at home.
Baby, you know how hard it is at work. You know how bad traffic in Lagos is. Baby, I was already coming back home around 6. But I wasn't able to meet up around. That was why it's already 7 and I had to come back by this time. It's not literally my fault.
Listen, babe.
I tried.
You're a married woman, for God's sake. You should mind when you stay out late. I don't like it. Don't give me hold up cracks and all that.
I know.
Find a way to come back home on time. I don't like it. I'm feeling lonely all the time. I've not even made my dinner.
I'm sorry.
So who's gonna do that?
You know, I always wanted to get you someone that will help you with all these things, but you never.
I'm just not comfortable with it. I'm just not. I'm not happy with it.
I'm your wife, and I understand.
And you know I love you, and I can never cheat on you. But you leaving me in the house all the time, it's quite unfair.
I'm sorry.
It's not fair.
I'm sorry. I am so sorry. Just find a place in your heart to forgive me, okay? You just work and traffic in Lagos, that's all. I can't intentionally just want to come back by this time of the night. It's actually late.
Okay.
You're my lovely husband. I wouldn't do anything that is going to hurt or affect you in any way. I promise.
Just that I don't like the way you come back.
I understand, and I wouldn't do it again.
I'm sorry for pouring the water on you, okay?
I know.
Okay. Are you okay? Are you good? So have you eaten? What is it? Have you eaten? Look at me. What is it?
Hold on.
Oh, that's your undies. I just bought
This
it out to
is not my undies.
Babe, it's yours.
This is not my undies. What is this?
Babe, I washed some.
Who is this for? Whose is this?
Babe, this is yours.
Who is this? Whose is this, baby?
Hey, get my pants! My pants! My pants!
What was that?
You are asking me who that is. You just stop. Can you just stop with the pretense? Can you stop? You are asking me who she is. Why? You lost your job. I work every day. You do the cookings, I do the cleaning, I still do the man's job. The only thing you could do to pay me back is to bring in another lady into the house. Why? I asked you why? Why is she doing here? What is she doing here? What was she doing in my house? You were sorry. Oh. In someone's dictionary, sorry solves everything. You were expecting sorry to solve everything, right? What have I done wrong? What have I done wrong? You brought in another lady into my house. How could you? How could you? What have I not done right? What am I not doing proper as a wife? What am I not doing properly? Tell me, I want to hear it. I want to change.
Please, I'm sorry. It will not happen again.
It won't. There will be no room for it to happen again. It's a promise. I wouldn't allow it to happen again because I am going back to my father's house.
No, babe.
I am going to file for a divorce.
No.
I am going to come back here with the securities to take my belongings.
Babe, no. You can't do that. I'm sorry.
I am out of this place.
Babe, listen. Babe. Babe.
Don't touch me!
Don't do that.
Don't you dare touch me.
Babe. Babe, wait.
Leave me alone.
What kind of a useless girl was that?